Hi everybody, welcome back to the Desmo Works channel, and a very short and quick video because I made a faux pas in the last video around rebuilding the heads, and it's purely my fault, and I just thought I'd best put a correction out so that everybody's aware of it, and I'll put a card in there in the original video as well, just so that I can make sure that everybody's aware of this change as well. So if you remember, when I was fitting the valve seals, I stated that the black should go on the exhaust and the green should go on the inlet. That was factually incorrect. What I didn't notice is I'd looked at the drawing for the head the wrong way round, so I'd made the assumption this was the exhaust side on the drawing. So when I looked at the parts number, I thought I was doing the correct thing, having had this pointed out by somebody who's just watched the video. So I'm just correcting this now. So you can do it in situ. It's just a case of gently dropping the valves into the valve guide so you've got clearance to take them off and put them back on. And luckily, because I've not used the engine, it's not done any damage to the seals, so it's just a case of popping them back off and then popping them on in the correct place. So the correction to my last video, just to be clear, your valve seals, it's the black one should be on the inlet and then the green one should be on the exhaust side. Hey, we all make mistakes, and I always follow the manual and I always follow the parts list. I suppose you just got to get your head right and make sure you're looking at the right thing in the right way. So completely my mistake, but I thought it was important that I just get this correction video out so that everybody's aware. Hope you like that little update. Any questions or comments, please stick them down below, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video when we will be back on doing the belts. Cheers then now, catch you later, bye.